Hey yo, what's up, Local Store? This is Mel from Purple Pepper Commerce, and I'm a project associate here in the company. And I actually noticed your product here in Amazon, and I couldn't help myself to do a review about it. So yeah, I wanted to show you where your product ranks currently in Amazon search algorithm. So I pulled it up in Cerebro and noticed that you are ranking for 2,493 keywords. So that's actually a good start, pretty solid. I actually wanted to congratulate you for getting your product right here to rank for lots of keywords. But yeah, with our help, we can actually work on increasing these numbers to get your product have more traffic, so you'll get more sales and visibility. Plus, if you need someone to run an ads too, we are actually a perfect match for that. We have an advertising specialist in our team who could, optimize your campaign to make sure you're getting the correct, the right ROI and yeah, low A costs as well. But yeah, one thing that we could start working on in your product right here is, actually notice you are already ranking with, a listing house score of 10. So that means your product right here fully looks as if they're fully optimized, but there's actually one thing that you may have missed. So I've noticed that on your banners from your A plus content and brand story, as you can see right here, short alt text. So what I found out is that you're doing a naming convention instead of actually taking advantage of these spaces. So what I suggest, the good way to do it, instead of doing a naming convention, is you should create a set of 100 character keyword list, and then you can stuff it in each banner, 100 each banner. And if you do that, you can just watch your keywords, your product index for more keywords slowly in Amazon. And of course, it's going to lead more traffic in your listing right here, which is a personal size blender. Okay. Now, if you need someone to work on it for you, you just go ahead and message us. Go to our website, which is purplepeppercommerce.com. You click that start button here and fill out the details, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay. Now, yeah, I actually hope to see you there. And this is Mel again. You have a good one. Goodbye for now.